Hey guys, Johnny O here. Got an update on the Grand National project. The shop is back working on the car again. And what we're looking at here right now is the body. The body is off the frame. It's been off the frame for quite a while. And we're working on getting rid of some of the rust by putting some rust-free parts in there. And as you can see, he's cut the bottom of my car totally out. And I'll walk around here just for a second and show you guys the view from all sides. What he's done here is he's braced it. These are welded and bolted in, and he's trying to maintain the structure of the car so that nothing moves, because if any of this changes, then he's got a big problem putting it back together. So when we look inside the car here, we've got quite a bit of rust still down here. He's in the process of cutting this piece out, and same deal over there. And the bottom of the A-pillars have already been cut out. There's one laying on the floor right there. We've got another one over here. And you're probably wondering, what are we going to put back in here? Well, we got the whole bottom of another car from Arizona. I bought this several years ago, had it shipped here, and it's basically rust-free. He's got this mostly prepped to go in there. Got the edges all squared away. He's moved my brackets for the seats over here to this piece that's going in the car. Basically, he's going to just move this over here and plop it up in there, get it lined up, and weld that into place. So this piece has got to come out still. You can see he's got measurements on the bottom of the B pillar. Let's see, what else can we talk about back here. These are the old, I think they're Kerbin. I got these from Kerbin, the seat braces, and they're not all that strong. We're going to add a lot more horsepower to this car. And I don't have it here to show you, but I got the back seat brace from Chad Dickey. It's a real beefy brace, and that's going to go in there. That'll go in there last, after he's got the whole structure of the car all back and repaired and everything. Once he finishes with the underneath the car, we've got to deal with the A-pillars. I'm sure there's rust in here. I've got new A-pillars that go down the side of the windshield. Those came from gbodyparts.com. I don't know what we're going to find underneath the plates here when we take those out. I'm anticipating there's going to be rust. I also have a stainless steel plate kit with all these pieces. They also came from gbodyparts.com. I've ordered this stuff quite a while ago, and the project is taking a long time because this is not a full-time project for him. He's got other things that he's got to do, and that's good because he doesn't drain my checkbook as quickly as if he was working on it full-time. So anyhow, we can take a quick peek in the trunk, see what's going on here. Nothing to report here at all. The trunk isn't all that bad. We needed the rear floor pan, and that's on this piece right here. So when we bought the bottom of the car, we not only got the normal floor pan that you would get, we got the rear portion of the floor pan. And when you buy just a floor pan from some of these guys, you don't get the piece that's underneath for the side pieces. It doesn't go all the way to the rockers. And by buying the whole floor pan, we were able to get those pieces. So anyhow, that's all I can think of to comment on at the moment. And as he makes more progress, I'll make some more videos and post them up. So thanks for watching.